everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kasey LeAlma, and today I am going to plan next week in my Hobonichi Cousin. So this is the current week. We're on Friday right now. So January 30th to the 5th of February. And we're gonna plan the 6th through the 12th of February using only my leftover kit from Planner Kate. That is like the bookish, I think is what it is. So this is what I have left over. So we are gonna use these. So the first thing I like to start with is the washi. And this is the washi I'm gonna use at the top. And going to put that right there. Sometimes I find that this washi is harder to use than the other. No, we're just sticking it. So it doesn't go all the way, but that's okay. And then the other washi I will be using is this. And I put this down here to do like 10:30. Yeah, 10:30. Okay. And then I only put the washi to Friday because I use this to track my time, and Monday through Friday I go to bed at a decent time, but then Thursday or Saturday and Sunday I use the whole time to plan out stuff. So I'm just gonna stick this washi up here like that. Okay, the next thing, I want to use something for meals. I think I'm gonna use this one, that way I can check off when we have the meals. And I put it down here last time. And you might be seeing that some of these don't fit, and that's because these are the full boxes. They're not part of the Hobonichi kit. I only have these two things for the Hobonichi Cousin. Okay. So I did like last week, I had these. I really liked these. To make a to-do list. I'm gonna put 2. On the days. Put to-do list here. And then, okay. That is all I had of them. And I know I have a meeting on Monday at I think it's at, okay, 11. I think it's at 1. And I guess that's it. It is for personal property tax. I would love to stop talking about taxes. I wish that Planner Kate had a meal plan wording or meals. So I'm just gonna put this fork here, and then I loved these like clipboard or sticky note or something. I don't know what they are, but I'm gonna put that here because I meet with my girls on Saturday at 9 p.m. every week. And let's see here. There's no paydays. Is there a trash? Yeah, here's a trash sticker. Wednesday is trash day. I have no other meetings going on. But I do yeah, I don't have anything else. So, I think I'm going to use this as a header. And then if I can find a this week's sticker, put that there, and then I'll list out my things I need to do. Is there anything I'm missing sticker wise? I did have these last time, but I don't think I have. Yeah, I don't have any more of those, so that's okay. I really want to, oh, I am working from home on Thursday, and then last week, oops. We're gonna put the weekend sticker down there because I'll probably sleep in. And I work from home on Thursday and Friday, and I just used a arrow last week to indicate that that went over, and I thought that was cool. I don't think there's any doctor's appointments or anything. Let me just check. It looks like my husband's gonna be gone on Saturday, so I think I would just note that. I think around this, oh, let's not use that. Here we go. These will actually fit in there. I think he's gonna be gone longer than that, but he's going to a cycle show. But that's it out of my calendar. And then I do have Publish and Thrive next week, but that is it. Okay. So this is it for the weekly. And just to like, this is how this week is going. I really like this washi. Other than I realized that I laid it upside down on some pages. So this is my day look, and I just put some decorations. So I'm just gonna do that real quick on this day. So I'm just gonna take some of the decorative things, and I realized that I put this washi upside down. It's supposed to go like this, but I don't want to cover that because I used that. So it's just gonna be upside down because I'm gonna put it here. Like that. And then just put some more decorative. Got a few more of those corner pieces. This one's really pretty, these books. I love books, but I have not read that many in a long time. It's really sad that my TBR list this year only has 6 books in it. And that is like my only goal, and I am actually kind of afraid that I'm not gonna hit it. So put that down. You definitely feel where I put some stickers in the same spot and it's bulking up. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3 more pages, and I just have some decorative boxes that I'm going to put down here. I did have these corner boxes. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. So yeah, I do not decorate that much. I don't go all out. I use these pages. I journal here, and then I reflect, and then this is my list of things I need to do, and then my meal planning. This is basically my health related items go into the daily, and then this is usually it's technically my done planner, because I will track what I'm doing when I'm doing it, and then fill that in, and then I will reflect at the end of the week. But this is my next week in my Hobonichi Cousin. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message me and I will respond when I can. If you enjoyed this plan with me, don't forget to like this video, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe and be notified when all my planner videos and other writing related videos come out. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.